Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Hey team, I have just got out of the shower. Today, I'm going to be trying out an app. I have an iPhone 10, and one of my New Year's resolutions, and I actually don't do them, but one of the things that I want to achieve this year is to get back into more resistance training. What I mean by resistance training is training in the gym with heavy weights, obviously. I have signed up to a membership, even though I've got access to like 5 gyms for free from where I teach and where I work. It's not the same. I don't like working out where I work because it feels like I'm at work. Anyway, so the gym that I've signed up to, I'm pretty sure I'll link the vlog that I was talking about. There was a complex that was made into like this shopping thing. Anyway, Crunch Fitness is where I've got my membership. It hasn't been built yet, so it's a couple months off, or I think it's about mid next month, February, is when it's going to be finished. So obviously that means I've got a bit of time in between. I have downloaded this app. It's called Home Workout. I'm going to give it a bit of a review. I'm going to do the workout for a couple of weeks and see how we go. It is on the smartphone. Like I mentioned before, I have an iPhone 10. Really not sure if there's an Android equivalent. Maybe there is, and hopefully that this review can apply to you as well. We all know when we download things, they're not 100% reliable, especially apps, and Honey's trying to attack me. And what I mean by that is sometimes when you go through the reviews or you go through what's involved or what's part of the app and it's like promising you the world, and you go in there, it's got all these whiz-bang programs that you could be doing, but you got to pay a subscription, and that's how they get you. Anyway, this one hasn't done that. So it's promising. Well, it's a hard life for some, isn't it, honey? Are you all right? Do you need anything? Clearly not. This is the app I was talking about. We're going to do this one here. It is a full body, as you can see, starting with week 1, day 1. Let's see what we've got. Jumping jacks, incline push-ups, knee push-ups. I'm not going to do the knee ones. I'll just keep doing normal push-ups. I wonder if they're just options. How is that a full body? Well, I guess we'll find out.
Ready to go. Start with 1. Do the exercise. 20 seconds. Jumping jacks. It's a full body exercise to strengthen. 10. Incline push-ups. Please prepare a chair or bench. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 10. Incline push-ups. You shouldn't put too much pressure on your shoulders. Take a rest. Do the exercise. 6. Push-ups. Adjust your performance if you feel strain in your shoulders. Take a 6. Wide arm push-up. Do the exercise. 6. Wide arm push-ups. Do not sink or raise your hips. Do the exercise. 10. Incline push-ups. Your body needs to be kept straight. Take a rest. Next. 6. Push up. Do the exercise. 6. Push-ups. This exercise next. 6. Wide arm. Do the exercise. 6. Wide arm push-ups. It's not right if you feel too much pressure on your shoulders.
That was so easy. Ah, okay. So every day is a different muscle group. As you can see, day 2 is core. I might actually just do all of the muscle groups.
1. Do the exercise. 10. Abdominal crunches. You shouldn't feel it. Hold a dumbbell in your hands. At the time. At the time.
I do hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. We know the song and dance at the end of the vlog. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe, ring the notification bell, drop me a like and a comment, and keep on watching because there's plenty more to come.